Blood. The number one sign that your girl is controlling. I don't know what's worse. If a man is aware of this happening, or he's totally oblivious to it. There's certain gal, when their boyfriends leave the house or their boyfriends go out somewhere, their girlfriend is constantly on the phone to them. I've been with man on a night out, a Shoreditch, at Oxford Street. We've only been out 5 hours and the girl has rang the man about 3 times in the night. What the fuck for? Now certain man, as I said before, they don't realise it or they're totally oblivious to it. Do you know why? Because the girls spin it. They manipulate the situation to make a man think. Certain man will respond and say, my girl's just doing it because she loves me, she cares about me, or she might be jealous that I'm talking to other girls. It ain't got nothing to do with her loving you, caring about you, or you talking to other girls. Keeping tabs on you, having you under the thumb, having man under control, getting man on smash. Have you even been out with a man? We just gone shop. Just gone shop. But we might have taken a bit too long. We might have gone on a diver, gone somewhere else. We're allowed to. We're big men, right? Big rascal working men. If we decide we're not just going to go to shop, we're going to go somewhere else quickly. I've had man, gal, calling. Where are you? A man's had to say, yo, vouch for me, innit? Tell her where we are and stuff. A man's had to be filming, you know. Filming. Man are providing evidence. Come on, cousin. Man, I had to film to prove the whereabouts because the girl might think that a man's nudged me and say, yeah, say we're here, innit? Come on, man. If you're in a situation like that where your girl is acting like that, typically, I would say it's usually the guys that are living with girls that act like that. Possibly it's girls, you know, that they don't live with their boyfriend or whatever, but usually the ones I've seen is when the girl is living with the man. If your girl is acting like that, you know, put a stop to that now. Break up with the girl. Do something. But that bullshit has to stop. But, what ends up happening is certain man can't put a stop to it. Do you know why? Because certain man, they live at their girl's house. They live at their girl's yard. So they can't put a stop to it. They can't tell the girl, no, I'm not telling you where I am. Because she will say, okay, come out the yard. This is why man them should not move in with their girl. Because certain man, they have nowhere else to go. Me, a couple days ago, I just come from my mum's house. I'm sleeping on the sofa. Imagine if I moved into a girl's house and we have an argument and she kicks me out the house. I'm going to go and sleep on my mum's sofa. You know how many men right now across the world, as I'm making this video, as you're watching it, have been given an ultimatum by their girl. Do what I say or get the fuck out of my house. What are you going to do? If you're a man watching this right now and you live at your girl's house and you have an argument with her and she says, do what I say or get the fuck out of my house. What are you going to do, bro? What are you going to do? You're going to stare at her with a mean look on her face? You're going to screw your gal? You're going to be like a little 10-year-old, 11-year-old? Make me. I'm not going. Like a little minor, like a juvenile. When the parents say, eat your greens, and you're like, no, I'm not doing it, make me. This is the position that certain men are in when they're moving with their girl. And certain man, it don't even have to be that way around. Certain man, they could have their girl living with them, but they don't want, you know, be affirmative and be the man, wear the trousers, and tell the girl, you don't talk to me like that, or you can go. Because certain man, they can't be alone, you know. There's this thing called the pullback. Go and watch videos on YouTube about it. This is a real fucking thing. Whether women do it subconsciously or consciously, whatever. Women will pull back Forget about the relationship. During the course of the courtship, you get a girl's number. You're talking to her for 5-6 days straight. Conversations going back like a fucking tennis match. Then 1 minute you serve and then you don't get no return ball. The girl just disappeared on you for a couple of days. That's called a pullback. Girls pull back in a relationship. Break up with you. You know why certain men are in that position? Where they're under the thumb? Because somewhere along the line, they've had a breakup. The girl went ghost on them. They didn't know whether their girl was coming back or not. So what did they do? They didn't wait for her to come back. They didn't take the risk that they might not ever hear from this girl again. They chased, they pursued, they begged, they pleaded. And then, light bulb moment. That's when a girl gets the power. When a girl breaks up with a guy and the guy runs after the girl and begs her back, he doesn't wait for her to reach out to him first. When she gets that text, whatever it says, it don't matter. The fact that you're contacting her is enough. She says, hook, line and sinker. Checkmate. Check Ross Clark, mate. Because literally this thing is like a game of chess. Check Ross Clark, mate. Man, them need to start wearing the trousers. And I think certain men think they're wearing the trousers literally because they walk around the yard with 2 pairs of tracksuit bottoms on and they beat their chest. Nah, fam, that don't mean you're wearing the trousers. Plenty of man, like me, I love it. Like, I can't say I go out looking for it, but me, I'm a studier of human behavior, innit? And when I'm around couples, I watch and I observe and I see who is running what. I always say, from the moment I go in someone's house or whatever, or I see 2 couples, it could be on the TV or wherever, it don't matter where it is, it could be on the train. I watch the interaction between the man and the woman, and I know right off the bat who is running the relationship. I've heard man say, my girlfriend is the general. Like, as a joke. But that's not a joke. When a man says, my wife is the boss, that's not a joke. His wife is running shit. Because at some point she pulled back, she got the power. I've been with man in B&Q after work. A man's gone to B&Q to buy some doors for that house. Called his missus. What do you say? What kind of design do you want on the doors? What are you doing in B&Q without me? I told you to wait. We're going to go there on the weekend. And a man has literally put down the phone and walked out of the shop with his tail between his legs. This is a grown man, you know. This ain't like some fucking kid answering to his mum. This is a man speaking to his wife, or answering to his wife, taking orders from his wife. Literally, in those situations like that where a gal is keeping tabs on her man, blah, 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 it's almost like the woman turns into the mother, irrespective of age. A man could be with a younger girl, older girl, same age. The girl turns into the mother, literally. Phoning you to see where you are, and you have to verify your story using your brethren that's next to you, or whatever. What, you 14, 15? But you're a Ross Clark, big man. 25, nearly 30. You don't have to answer to nobody apart from, unless you're living under your mother's roof. This is why I always say, only live under your mother's roof. Don't live under no woman's roof. Because, boy, that's how women get the power, boy. That's how women emasculate the men. I think I will be answering to any woman. Man. Anyway, that's basically the number one sign that a man is under the thumb. When he's out, don't know, it don't matter who he's with or, out on the night, don't matter. When his girl's constantly calling him to keep tabs on him to make sure, he's where he says he is, and controlling women, certain man are under the thumb. Man, you need to tell your woman this will not be tolerated, or else we're breaking up. If you're a guy right now, everyone can watch videos and say, yeah, man, yeah, I hear that. Hear what? What are you hearing? Yeah, it's easy to watch a video and listen and nod your head. If you're a man right now and you've experienced your girl calling you, keeping tabs on you, tell her, I'm not putting up with that no more. Don't phone me, put down the phone. When you go back to the yard, the next time you rendezvous with her and you buck your girl, the next time you call me up, asking me where I am and that, we're breaking up. Let's see who's got balls. Yeah? Cause everyone can watch a video and nod their head and say, yeah, I hear that, fam. Let's see who's got the balls to do that. Cause me, I'll do that. No problem. No problem. Break out any girl, any day. No problem. I'm not having no one keep me under lock and key. I'm a fucking grown ass man, a black man at that as well. And a Jamaican. Stay wise.